Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're taking a look at projects made by you guys. I've gotten a lot of great projects sent in through this community post that I made, and if you want your project to be featured on the show, please send them to my email lucky.business@gmail.com. I've gotten a lot of requests sent in. I can't cover them all in this video. I've compiled this little list and we're gonna go through them one by one in no particular order. I'm gonna tell you what I like about the projects and what I think could improve. All these projects are under development, so be kind with your criticism and keep it all constructive. But before we get into all that, I'd like to introduce you to an easy and free platform to help you learn online. Brilliant. Brilliant is the most efficient way to learn topics like math, data science and computer science interactively. With thousands of lessons from basic to advanced topics and new lessons being added every month, there's always something new to learn on Brilliant. Brilliant is a very unique and interesting way of teaching. With exercises and real-world examples, I find Brilliant always has a creative twist of teaching you something new. I think Brilliant is great for game developers, as it gamifies the learning experience and it's always showing you visuals and real-world examples of what you're actually learning, so you can easily apply them to your program. Brilliant is accessible to anybody, as you take a quick quiz when you sign up to get matched with content that fits your needs and skill level. And the best part about Brilliant is, you can use it anywhere. On your phone, tablet or PC, you can learn anywhere, anytime. So if you're a game developer who wants to improve your skill, or a beginner who's just getting started, I highly recommend Brilliant. Try Brilliant for free for a full 30 days by visiting brilliant.org/lucky or by clicking the link in my description. And the first 200 people who sign up using my link will get 20% off an annual plan. That's brilliant.org/lucky. The first game I want to take a look at is Tempus Bound. This little platformer made by Jason from the UK already has a full Steam page up and a playable demo. You play as this little elf fox guy and you make your way through this atmospheric world. It kind of reminds me of Hollow Knight or the early Castlevania games, but without the combat. I gotta say, I really got into this game. The platforming has a nice feel and the pixel art and physics objects in the world really sell the environment. The only gripe I have with this game is that it's a little hard to see where you're going. Some areas are extremely dark and the camera is following the player. Well, I prefer my cameras in platformers to be ahead of my player, so I can see where I'm landing my jumps. But overall, awesome project. Definitely going on my wishlist. The next project I want to take a look at is a little more under development. Azure Otter has made this movement-based FPS controller. It's based on my FPS controller tutorial, which makes me really proud. And he's adding a lot of nice things like these jump pads, smoother movement and some nice movement effects. I really like his dev area and the feel of the controller, but I definitely toned down the audio a bit. I've gotten it out in the video, I'll let you hear a little bit right now. Yeah, it's a bit much on the grunting and the screaming, but overall, looks great, keep on going. This next project is a little roguelike made by Buddy. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The game is called Rogue Chess and there's a very basic rule set. Everybody has 1 HP, there are 3 different classes and 4 different enemies, and you gotta beat these little generated dungeons. And I think it's the simplicity of this game that makes the levels so fun. The combination of the different enemies in certain stages can really leave you scratching your head on how to get through this. Definitely a fun project. It has a web build, so you can click on the itch page and just play it in the browser, give it a try and leaving some feedback. He's looking for feedback. Very nice, simple game. The next project, I'm not sure what to say about. It's this anime-based shooter, I think, and all the weapons are these anime girls, and there's a drifting car for some reason, and a rocket launcher. I don't know, it really caught my eye, but this is the Fumo Shooter by Jared Ultra Swag. It looks completely nuts, but I kinda wanna play it. The next project that was sent in is Cut the Cards by Gigantic Byte. This roguelike deck builder has an awesome twist. You can cut up the words on the cards and slap them onto other cards to create unique effects. You can use these effects to battle monsters and traverse obstacles on the map. The map is randomly generated and it looks like there's already a lot of content in the game. This game really impressed me with its mechanic. The cutting the words and forming new sentences and then reading those sentences and finding out what the effects are. It's really impressive and it's quite a neat trick. Cut the Cards has already a Steam page up and you can wishlist it now, and he's looking for playtesters. So if you guys want to test out this game, apply for playtesting on the Steam page. The next game we're taking a look at is Nocturnal Nicotine. This little horror game has a great vibe. You play as a character looking to buy a pack of cigarettes in this dark town, but during your journey to get these cigarettes, you encounter the darkness of the town. The atmosphere in this game is great, and I really like the post-processing effect, with the ceramic aberration of the pink and the green. The visuals really stand out to me here. The storytelling is a little basic, but the sounds and the atmosphere really sell the game. This game is free to download at itch, I'll leave a link in the description, definitely give it a play, it's a lot of fun. This little RPG character creator was already making its way on Reddit when it was sent in to me. It got a lot of popularity for one obvious reason, the jiggle physics, but there's a lot more to it. Philip is looking to create an immersive sim in a fantasy Japanese setting, and the character creator of that game is what we're seeing here. There's already a lot of visual and skill options, and I think it shows a nice base platform for a game to be built. I'll be definitely keeping my eye on this project. And this last project I wanted to show is this little multiplayer demo. All the commentary is in Dutch, but it's a couple of friends just playing in this multiplayer demo. He used my first-person animations controller and built his own multiplayer platform on here, but this is just so much fun to watch. Just a couple of friends having fun in a dev area. Love to see it. I will not add the commentary here because it's all in Dutch and most of you probably won't understand it. But yeah, this is a super fun clip to see. Love seeing people come together in stuff they build and creativity. That's what we have for today. I got a lot more requests, they're even coming in as I'm recording this video. So I'll probably do another one of these. It's so much fun to see what you guys are building. And it's really nice to see some of my tutorials put to good use. I'm still busy on developing my own game, Endeavor. I'm live streaming development of the game here and there. So if you want to hop on the live stream, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Otherwise, YouTube just doesn't notify anybody of live streams. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for sending in your projects. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.